Hello folks, Microsoft recently announced a bunch of 14 new amazing functions. No, I'm not going to talk about any of these. What I'm going to talk about is my new Lambda, which I called DynamicSplit. This neat Lambda can be a counterpart or a complement with an E, not with an I, to the brand new text split function. This Lambda dynamically splits cells. The idea is this. You have a cell, for example, cell A3, which has numbers or text or whatever, and this is argument number 1 to the formula, and you want to insert after a gap of n characters, which is argument number 2, a delimiter or separator, which is defined in I1. The delimiter is supposed to appear more than once in the resulting cell. Its appearance depends on the gap size. After how many characters should the delimiter be implemented? And as mentioned above, both the delimiter and the so-called gap are arguments as well as the cell to be split. So let's have a look at an example. Suppose the gap remains 0. So if the gap remains 0, then nothing happens. But if I change the gap to 1, for example, then you can see that a slash is inserted after each and every character of the original cell. And if I change the gap to 2, you can see that now the slash is implemented after each 2 characters of the original cell. And a side effect or advantage of this formula is, for example, in cell A7 we have a number in the format of DDMMYY. So if I copy this file, the resulting file, equal C7, and multiply it by 1, then we actually have a valid date. And we can, of course, format it as a short date, and we can see that this number, 120220, becomes a valid date. Okay, by the way, the delimiter does not appear at the end of the string. It always appears between the characters and not at the end. And of course you can change this one separator of one character to make it, for example, 2 characters. Let's put for example twice the percentage sign, and you can see that each 2 characters are separated by the 2% percentage signs, and if we move it again to one sign, then we have it as before. That's all folks for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to use this Lambda as you see fit for your needs. I just want to show you the Lambda itself, the code, which is going to be uploaded later on. I'm not going to explain it. You can see for yourself. And you'll be able to download it and use it according to your needs. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.